Okay, here's an example of writing a new post, especially for the guys wanting to write a new fishing report. So let's go to a website. There's the web address for the website we're going to use, but we're going to go log in. So tampaflatsfishing.com/WP dash admin. It's always going to be WP dash admin to log in. I'm already logged in, so it logged me in automatically, but you know your username and password. When you get in here to write a new fishing report, you're going to hover over posts, click add new. All right, so right here is where we title the post. I'm going to say Tampa fishing. Oops, nope, what happened here? Sorry, I hit something. All right, we're going to hit Tampa fishing is hot. All right, so we're going to call the post. Here's where we write it. I'm going to cheat and I'm going to put in some fake text. But here's where you write the post. All right, typically what I'll do is I will add the picture. I'll put a space here and I'll add the picture where this cursor is. Wherever this cursor is, the blinking cursor, is where your photo is going to go. So to add the picture there, what we need to do is click add media. All right, if you already have the picture on this website that you want to use, it's in your media library. You can pick any one of these pictures to add to media. When you click on it, it'll show you how big it is. You really don't want images bigger than 1200 pixels wide. The height's not as important, but width-wise, 1200 pixels is about as big as you want. If you don't know how to resize images, that's a lesson later, but you need to resize them and make your website run faster. If you don't have your picture already uploaded here, then you need to click Upload Files. You're going to click Select File, go to where your pictures are. You're going to pick a picture, doesn't matter what picture, just pick one. And then you're going to click Upload, and it'll upload. But for the sake of this, without adding a picture of this, I'm just going to go to my media library, and we got this picture right here. It's 800 by 600, good picture to use. Now look, before we insert it into the post, we can retitle it, which is good for SEO. You can name it Tampa Redfish, whatever. Alt text, use the same thing as the title would be good. Description, you can write a description if you want to, but we're going to center it, and we're going to have the link go to the media file. That way it'll open up just the picture if they were to click on it. And then we're going to insert it full size. If you wanted it to be centered to the right or the left, you want it small, you could pick any of these predefined smaller sizes, but we're going to insert this full size. So we insert this into the post, and there's the image. Now if you want to preview it, click the preview button, and this is what the post would look like. There's the picture, there's the text. All right, so once we've got the image in here, we've got our text in here. If this is all we wanted to do, we could click fishing reports. If you don't have fishing reports there and that's what you're trying to add, you can click add new category and write fishing reports. You can tag it if you want to. Doesn't do a whole lot for things we're working on. But all right, so if we want to, now we got to set the featured image. So we got fishing reports, we got the text, we got the photo. We're going to set the featured image. The featured image is the image that shows up anywhere else on the site where we're displaying information about this new post we just wrote. So most of the time this shows up on the home page. Click set featured image. You can use a different image. So we're going to use this image just because. All right, click set featured image, and you'll see that that now is the featured image, and that is what will show up on the home page. All right, once you got this, your post is done. It'll show up on the home page if it's supposed to. You have the image you're supposed to have. You got the text you just wrote. You've categorized it correctly, and now you've set a featured image so that it will show up where we're displaying it on different parts of the website. Once you're done, all you have to do is click publish. That will get your new fishing report or news article up. Now, if you want to add a gallery at the end, put your cursor where you want the gallery, which is right here at the end. I'm going to click add media. Now we're going to create a gallery. You can do this by uploading files, or images are in your media library. Once you upload them, they'll be in your media library. But we're going to click each image. There's 4. that we want to add to our galleries. See, they got the check mark by them. Click them and it'll put a check mark on it. Click create new gallery. You can reorder the images if you want to, or I usually always set the link to media file. We're going to put 4 columns. You can do 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever fits best for you. I always set it to random order so the picture's set in a different order every time somebody loads the page. Once you got this set up, here are your images we're going to add to the gallery. You click Insert Gallery. All right, puts the gallery here. You don't really see it. Let's look at the preview and see if it shows it. Scroll down. We got the image we added earlier. We got the text we added earlier. Here's our gallery. When they click on the image, it pulls the image up. All right, if you got any questions about this, shoot me an email. But right now, you should be good to go. Click Publish, and it's live.